We have to see when we get the final data for the first quarter how the positive and the negative factors offset each other. So growth will be very low, close to zero, probably in the first quarter. But there is policy space, sufficient policy space to counteract these trends. The important thing would be to act swiftly to avoid the aggravation of the current trend. And there is a space, for instance, in the fiscal stance for higher public expenditure, thanks to the important fiscal consolidation that took place last year. Monetary policy, if needed, can turn a little bit more accommodating. And also some fine-tuning of the regulations of the housing market also can support growth throughout the year. The biggest challenge will be to cope with external factors. Like, for instance, rapidly escalating oil prices that have impact in many sectors of the economy. The uncertainty of the war in Ukraine will affect also every economy that is integrated in the global system, because it will bring uncertainty, it will bring instability in the financial sector, the global financial sector. Energy prices will be under constant pressure. And then, of course, the pandemic, that is very difficult to predict what will happen, if a new strain will come, and what will be the outcome of the progression of the pandemic. So inflation will be a problem in many economies, but also the uncertainty. The uncertainty delays important business decisions and is also a factor that cools growth. In the case of China, the main channel for impact will be energy prices. But so far they have been absorbed quite well, and they have not been passed to the consumers, or very mildly. We still have to see what will happen with food prices that are also expected to be affected in coming months.